This week on a very special episode of The Toxic Inspector.
Hello, dear viewers. It's me, your friend, The Toxic Inspector. There will be no new episode of The Toxic Inspector this week. Wilson is spending the day with his family, as are the dozens of talented men and women who make up our wonderful production crew. I do sincerely hope that you've been enjoying Season 1 of my program, The Toxic Inspector. It has truly brought me great joy to meet with you each week, warning you about the dangerous toxins lurking in common household goods, and even having a few laughs along the way. But today I'd like to talk to you about something that isn't funny, and that's that each year in America, 5 people are killed in fried turkey explosions. You just saw what happens when you try to deep fry a frozen turkey. You die. Like, really, really violently in a big bowl of fire. I know I normally go into greater depth with these things, but that's really it. You just die in a fire. It's terrible. Now, how does this happen? The danger is in the grease, which becomes combustible if it reaches temperatures of over 350 degrees Fahrenheit. A frozen or partially thawed turkey will cause oil to splatter when added to the fryer, which can create violent, rapidly expanding grease fires that are very difficult to put out. All right, sure. Okay, let's talk about this. The simplest way to not die in a grease fire is to not deep fry your turkey. I'll say that again. The simplest way to not die in a grease fire is to not deep fry your turkey. I just think it bears saying you could just not do it. Figured we should get that out of the way right up front. But let's say you're content to take your chances. How can one safely deep fry a turkey? Let's find out. First and foremost, make sure that your turkey is completely thawed all the way through, then pat it dry. Any excess water can cause a reaction with the cooking oil. Next, take some precautions to ensure that your deep frying setup is a safe one. Always fry your turkey outside, away from flammable materials such as tall grass or fallen leaves. If a grease fire does break out, do not throw water on it. I repeat, do not throw water on a grease fire. This will only aggravate the fire. Instead, keep several pots and pans and a fire extinguisher on hand to smother any fires before they can get out of control. And there you have it, dear viewers. I hope you'll all take this warning to heart as we head into the holiday season. I know I will. This has been a brief message from your friend, the Toxic Inspector, wishing you all a safe and happy Thanksgiving.